Repairing clear coat lacquer peel on your car, or any painted surface, requires a careful process to restore the shine and protection. This method ensures that the underlying paint remains intact while giving the surface a smooth, glossy finish. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix it properly. The first step in repairing clear coat lacquer peel is to clean the area thoroughly. Begin by washing the surface with soap and water to remove any dirt and debris. Afterward, dry the area completely with a clean towel, ensuring that the new clear coat adheres properly and smoothly to the paint. The next step is to mask off the area around the damaged clear coat. Use masking tape to outline the repair area, ensuring that the edges of the peel are covered and the surrounding areas are protected. Then, cover the rest of the vehicle or surrounding surfaces with plastic sheeting or painter's plastic to shield them from overspray. The next step is to sand the peeling clear coat to create a smooth surface for the new clear coat to adhere to. Start with grit sandpaper and gently sand only the areas where the clear coat is peeling, being cautious not to damage the base coat underneath. Wipe down the sanded area with a clean microfiber cloth to remove dust and residue. Once the surface is prepped, it's time to apply a new clear coat. Hold the clear coat spray can, about 6 inches from the surface, and spray a light, even coat over the sanded area. Allow the first coat to dry for 10 to 15 minutes before applying 2 to 3 additional coats, ensuring you allow proper drying time between each layer. This process gradually builds up the clear coat, restoring the glossy finish and providing long-lasting protection. After applying the clear coat, it's essential to let it cure for at least 24 to 48 hours in a dry, dust-free environment. Once cured, use a polishing compound to restore the gloss and shine, giving the repaired area a smooth, flawless finish that blends seamlessly with the rest of the surface. This step enhances the overall appearance and ensures the repair looks professional. Lacquer Peel Correction Paint is a specially formulated solution designed to repair and restore surfaces affected by clear coat or lacquer peeling. Chemical Guy's Clear Cut Correction Compound is the ultimate solution for repairing clear coat lacquer peel and restoring your car's finish. It cuts deep into the paint to eliminate scratches, swirls, etching and even grit sanding marks. It works fast, delivering impressive results in half the time without long work periods. Its consistent cut technology ensures predictable, consistent results from start to finish, leaving the surface smooth and perfect after use. By following these steps and using the right products, you can effectively repair clear coat lacquer peel and restore your car's finish to its original glossy shine.